late to show it. Grow old together and feelings we had before, back when we were so innocent. I pray for all your love, God, love is so unreal. I just wanna reach and touch you, squeeze you, somebody pinch me. This is something like a movie, and I don't know how it ends, girl. I fell in love with my best friend. I fell in love with my best friend. I fell in love with my best friend. Through all the dudes that came by and all the nights that you cried, girl, I was there right by your side. How could I tell you I loved you when you were so happy with some other guy? Now I realize you were the only one. It's never too late to show it. Grow old together and feelings we had before, when we were so innocent. I pray for all your love, God, love is so unreal. I just wanna reach and touch you, squeeze you, somebody pinch me. This is something like a movie, and I don't know how it ends, girl, but I fell in love with my best friend. I know it sounds crazy that you'd be my baby. Hi.
Oh, yo! Kamusta? Otef nga pala. Happy. Uy, dyan! Kamusta? Pati nga pala. Balita ako, mag-anniversary to daw kayo Uy! Sana magtagal pa kayo sa stay strong. Saka yung mga nagdaan ng problema nyo, okay lang yan, kasama sa parte ng kapag may problema, daan-daan nyo lang, okay? Pag-usapan nyo lang. Happy anniversary nga pala sa inyo. More anniversary to come. Sana magtagal pa kayo. Thank you.
Hi DJC! I'm Jezabel. Happy birthday! Happy anniversary pala. Sana magtagal pa kayo. Nang matagal! I love you!
Happy anniversary nga pala kay JC Vargas. Sana tumagay kayo at more power for you and God bless you.
Hello, happy anniversary Kuya at saka Ate Jezabel.
Ay, ako nga pala si Jeremy Calvin. Vargas, happy anniversary nga pala sa inyo. Sana magtagal pa kayo. Baka pag nagtagal kayo niyan, kakalimutan mo ako. Sana naman huwag mo ako kalimutan. Kahit na pag lumipat kayo ng tahanan, makabuo kayo ng pamilya, sana par, huwag mo ako kalimutan. Tsaka, nadalaw-dalaw din ako sa inyo. Saludo ako sa boy. Laki na natulong mo sa akin. Kahit na naglayas ako, pinatira mo ako sa inyo. Tsaka, sana, sa'yo lang. Maraming salamat.
I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so unequal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract. You and I could be like Sunny and Cher, honey and bears, oh. And you and I like Aladdin and Jasmine, let's make it happen like la 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 was that special day when I asked you on our first date. Yeah, guess it's safe to say you and I are better than Sonny and Cher, honey and bears, yeah. And you and I are better than Aladdin and Jasmine. We've made it happen, singing la 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 la. Let me say, you look so beautiful on our wedding day.